Hey guys, Miss Higgins here. Welcome back to science. In our last lesson, we learned that lower layers form first and upper layers form later or more recently. So whenever you see a rocky outcrop like this, the oldest rock layer will always be on the bottom and the newest rock layer will always be on the top. Last time we learned this by researching in text. Today we're going to continue investigating the order of rock layers, this time by analyzing a model and then presenting our findings in an argument text. I'm so sorry, I promised we would have done this experiment in school, but at least I have pictures to show you. We were going to mix together plaster water and then different types of sediment, and we were going to make our own version or model of a rocky outcrop. So as you can see here, we were going to add to it on different dates. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different rock layers made on different dates. So which one in the class is older, and how do you know? Well, we just learned that the oldest rock layer is always on the bottom. So the one on the bottom here is the oldest, and the 9th one, the one on top, is the newest. So we know that new rock layers form on top of existing rock layers, therefore lower rock layers are older than the layers above them. Now we're actually going to watch a couple videos and see if we can use what we've learned to see if this claim is true or false. So we have a little visual here, and this place has sandstone on the bottom, then limestone, and then mudstone. So here's the claim that we have to see, is this true or false? It says, first, this location was a deep ocean for 10,000 years, then it was a shallow ocean for 10,000 years, and finally it was a beach for 20,000 years. So we're going to watch this video of the sim to test our claim. Here we go. Play. Okay, so we see the deep ocean here. Okay, so it was a deep ocean for 10,000 years. Now it's a shallow ocean. So we have a different rock layer forming on top for the next 10,000 years. Okay, the sea level changed again. So now it's a beach. Okay, so it was a beach for 10,000 years. Now they're adding another 10,000 years. All right, and let's pause it right here. So they analyzed the layers. They found that mudstone was first. So deep ocean was first. Then it was a shallow ocean. And then it was a beach. Let's go back to our slide and see if that matches the claim. So first, deep ocean. Second, shallow ocean. Third, beach. No, that's not what I'm seeing here. In our model, it had the sandstone on the bottom, and the sandstone would have been the beach. So it actually should have been the beach first. The claim says that it was a deep ocean first. So I think that whoever made this claim was confused about the order of rock layers. They thought that you start from the top, and this one is the oldest. But we know, based on our research, that the oldest rock layer is always on the bottom. So I think their claim was incorrect. Let's watch a second video that will help us see if we were right or wrong. All right, this time we're starting with a beach. That sounds more like it. Okay, next we're going to a shallow ocean. sea level changed again. Now we have a deep ocean. Okay, and it was a deep ocean for 20,000 years. All right, so when they analyze the layers, now they have mudstone at the bottom, sandstone, limestone, and then mudstone. Let's see if that is a better match for our claim. So mudstone on the bottom. Let's see if that matches. And then sandstone, limestone, mudstone. Perfect, we got it. So that one better shows or better proves our claim that first, it was a beach. That is why we have the sandstone here. Second, it was a shallow ocean. That's how we got limestone. And third, or most recently, it was mudstone or a deep ocean. So if we know the order of rock layers in a place, how could that help us infer the order of past environments? Well, we can just look. We know that the one on the bottom came first, and we can use what we've learned about these types of rock layers and sediment to infer what type of environment that place used to be. All right, your job today, guys, is to write an argument to answer this question. What was the environment like when the unknown rock layer formed? Let's zoom in because we have found a new rock layer in Desert Rocks National Park. We've already looked at the lower layer, the upper layer, but now we have a third one. There are two clues. Number one, they give you the type of rock, shale. Number two, they give you a type of fossil that was found there. So you're going to have to use the Fossil Hunter's Handbook and these evidence cards to help you. So there's some more evidence here. Okay, it tells you about the fossil that was found. It gives you an idea from the Fossil Hunter's Handbook about clay. It tells you a little bit about shale. And it tells you a little bit more about that type of fossil. So you're going to use information from the Fossil Hunter's Handbook and from the evidence cards, and you're going to have to write an argument text with your claim. You're going to say the environment was blank. Was it a beach? Was it an ocean? Was it a floodplain? Etc. And give evidence. Again, your evidence can either be from the book or from the evidence cards. Everything will be on Google Classrooms for you. Good luck and happy working.